What is up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of DP Outdoors. Today we have the Ford Transit and yet another taillight bulb that is out. The running light will work, but the left turn signal and the brake light do not. So today we are going to be taking off the lovely big old taillight and replacing the bulb. Never done it, so let's get into it. Alright guys, we just got into the back here, open up the doors. I got two screws, one right there on the top and one right there on the bottom that is holding in this entire light. And I did not bring out a screwdriver because I had no idea what tools we'll need. So, let's go get them. Alright guys, so after doing that, the taillight's loose, but it doesn't come off. So after doing some research, I've been told you have to hit it with your palm with the force going towards that door. Not quite sure. We'll see how it goes. So, after it's been taken off, this is what it looks like. My bulb is the one that's burnt out, is this one right here. So this is the one we're switching out. Alright, so once this thing is out, on the last video I did of the taillight, people were asking of how you unscrewed the bulb. The bulb literally just pulls straight out, just like that. And then the new one gets pushed right back in. Now to put them back in, you literally just push it right in. Just like so. Makes a lovely little snap. I'm going to put the bulb back in and twist it lock. Now how I know it's locked, bring you guys up in close. So it literally says lock with an arrow. To unlock it, you twist the whole thing to the left, lock it back up, you twist the whole thing to the right. Now let's push this taillight back on. By pushing. Well, that popped right on. And that is how you change out a back light bulb on a Ford Transit.